If you want to take a break from Instagram, you can deactivate your account. Deactivate account is temporary. As well as you can deactivate your account only once within a week. You can't do more than that. So once you deactivate your account, you have to wait another 7 days to deactivate your account. Let's jump into our video. First, I will close this application. Then you have to open your original Instagram application, or you can use another light version, or you can use the web version. But in this video, I will show you how to do that thing using your original or official Instagram application. Like this, you can open your Instagram application. If you are not logged in into that application, tap login, enter your login details and tap login button. Then they will redirect to your account. After login to your account, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Now select this one, settings and privacy. Then you will see this account setter option at the top of the list. Tap account setter to go forward. Now select the second one, personal details. Here select the last one, account ownership and control. Now select the second one, deactivation or deletion. Since we are going to deactivate or disable our Instagram account, you have to say the second one, Instagram. Here you can see deactivate account is selected by default. You don't need to select. So tap continue to go forward. Then they ask to re-enter your password. Like this, you can verify yourself. Then tap continue. Now you have to provide a reason. From here, you can select any reason. If you want to get the same interface for both of us, you can select this reason too. Select something else, then tap continue to go forward. Now you can deactivate your account. After deactivating your account, you will be logged out from Instagram, as well as don't try to log back into your account. If you log back into your account, it will reactivate automatically. If you want to keep deactivating your account, you have to stay away from logging back into that account. And also, if you want to permanently delete your Instagram account, click this end screen video, or you can find that video link in the description. That's it for today's video. See you later.